So we're at the Sparrow's house, and I'll show you the renovations they've done. So other visitors arriving, and that's the stuffing. Lovely blobs of butter on top, and let's have a sneak peek at that. That's the cauliflower. That's the ham I cooked in my video, my most recent video, until this one, that is. And we have the kitchen, of course, is complete bedlam. There's some veggies. Oh yeah, there's some veggies going on the steamer, and we got parsnips and taters, and we've got Lyndon.
That's me. Well, I'm usually to be found.
Is in his usual roost. Excellent. So onwards and upwards. Let's have a quick look. So the major difference is that this bit here has been filled in. There's a bar counter there, and the way through to what was the conservatory and where we all sat last year is now this, which is pretty amazing. So that's what we've got now. So we're looking forward to having our meal in this rather salubrious setting. And this is Craig, which is Sparrow's older brother. Say hi, Craig.
Hiya, and I look bad because I've got a hangover.
And Kathy's there, the beautiful Kath, hostess. And Richard, of course, still got his hat on.
Well, you brought champagne as well.
I'll let you know, my hat is cheaper than a wig.
Cheaper than a wig. All right, yeah, all right. Oh, that's nice. I love that feature. Lovely. I really love this high ceiling, though. I really love that.
Yeah, vaulted ceiling.
A vaulted ceiling with a sort of orangery type window lights at the top. I really like it. It's a super addition. So there we have it.
This open plan dining room, it really sets it off, doesn't it?
Doesn't it just? So that's where we'll be having our feast.
And a little tiny television, which cost a nice round figure.
Yeah, 0. All right.
No, I don't want a drink now.
Oh, I've done a wonderful thing, Sparrow. I've left 8 bottles of Beck's in the car.
You've left what?
8 bottles of Beck's in the car. The one that's out I'm talking about.
Wow. Oh, that's the Twikey.
Right, I'll have a drink.
That's a beast.
No, well, Peter doesn't drink, so he can.
Oh, right, okay. Right.
Yeah, well, we're...
Right, Lyndon is getting his meat out.
And I haven't even had a drink yet.
Told you he's getting his meat out. Look at that.
Just going to have a look.
Oh my
To
gosh.
see how it's going.
What do we do with that? Eat it, drink it, or climb it?
That's a couple of kilos of topside.
That's really nice. Topside, nice cut as well. Nice
I'm
lean
hoping that'll be
cut.
all right. I'm not very good with beef, actually. No.
Ah, you're all right.
We'll
You're good with everything
in about
you do.
half an hour, so I reckon another 45 minutes.
Fabulous. All right. Yeah, no rush.
That's the bird.
If it's worth having, it's worth waiting for, isn't it? That's a beautiful bird.
It's fallen to pieces.
Yeah, well, falling to pieces means it's good. I don't mind. It's going to fall to pieces inside me anyway, isn't
At least it's good.
it? Yeah.
And Peter's ham, obviously.
That ham. We've got ham. We've got
We've got cheese for the cheese.
cheese, veggies,
What do you call it? Cauliflower.
cauliflower. Which you're going to have cauliflower cheese, yeah. And what's that? That's
Semolina.
semolina, yeah.
And that's going to go on the roasted taters.
Ooh.
So
Makes them crispy.
Yeah, makes them extra crispy, doesn't it? Yeah.
duck fat and semolina.
Duck fat,
Yeah.
of course.
Goose fat, sorry.
Oh, goose fat, yeah.
Goose fat.
Yeah, it's
Same
excellent
thing.
stuff.
So we're probably all right.
Crispiest taters made with goose fat. Lovely.
We've got pigs in blankets going in.
Piggies in blankets as well.
Not,
Super.
Yeah, we're not doing that until other people arrive. Because,
No.
Otherwise they'll put it in.
All right. Okay.
So,
Super.
right. We're going to nick next door and steal some chairs.
It's like the birds are out there enjoying the Christmas meal that's been laid on for them. So Lyndon is sharpening his knife in preparation for the slicing. It's quite a handy tool, that.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It needs some new rollers in it. Right, right, let's get that on.
The baguettes.
Well, let's get you.
That's cauliflower cheese, which is about to be baked, I think.
Yep. Hang on a minute now.
Oh,
This is your.
that's Sam.
This is the ham.
Let's get a good look at that.
Right. So that's going to be cold. So we only need. How long did this take to cook, mate?
2.5. About 3 hours in total. Well, maybe about 10 minutes longer than 3 hours.
Right. Thin slices or thick, do you think?
Thick as you like. Well, however you like. It is a nice colour. It's a good gammon.
I'm not the world's best cat,
I'm going to have a taste of that.
You are.
I'm going
It's a
to nick
chef's
that.
thing.
I'm going to nick that end piece right there.
It's a chef's
That
thing.
first end.
It's got to be done. Got to be done.
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it all right? So what we put cloves on it, obviously. There's a honey there as well.
Honey, mustard. And it was boiled with a clutch of bay leaves
You know what? We
Juniper.
Don't, oh right, yeah.
and what else to put in it? And cinnamon.
We don't need a plate for this. It can go on the table as is. can't it?
Looks gorgeous. Oh, it tastes good as well.
Good.
Lean. It's very lean.
Where'd you get it from?
Aldi.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'll cut another slice and I'll leave it at that.
Yeah, it just looks pretty dramatic
And
like
I'll
that,
put that on
doesn't
the
it?
table.
That's like,
Oh look, there's a bit there. What do you think we're going to do with
I
that?
think you better eat it, mate. You don't want it cluttering up the desk.
There we go. Try a bit of that. Taste the clove, not too powerful, but they're there.
Yeah, that won't penetrate too deep, will it?
No. Oh, lovely. Delicious.
So there you go. That's the
Really delicious.
that's the ham.
You put that on the table. Excuse me. It's completely fell to pieces.
Yeah, that's a good thing though.
What we've got
That's a
is
good thing.
some brown meat, which will just fall off the bone like that.
Perfect.
Which we'll put on one side, like that. Actually, it makes carving bloody
I
satisfying.
suppose it'd be rude for me not to have a taste of that now. It's done. Oh,
I think you're just taking advantage.
that's juicy.
I think we're just taking advantage. And we'll take.
You know, I'm getting to like turkey more as I get older, and I didn't like it as much when I was young.
Well, you know, I think the problem was when we were younger, people didn't know how to cook it. They cooked it like a chicken.
Yeah, and it ended up dry and horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that was the main problem.
Another way of getting around the dryness is to brine it first. You brine it in sugar and salt.
Well, we'll just say I haven't cut into the breast yet, so we'll see if this is. I don't think it will be good. But what we've done is I'll leave that in the brown meat for
It's
start.
nice. It's almost got like a smoke ring on it, isn't it?
Yeah. There's
Unless
loads,
it's just the way my camera's colouring it.
loads of meat.
Look at that, how juicy that is. Look at that shine on that
Well, it's
meat.
been cooked upside down.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Now let's see what this.
So you end up with the. Let's see what the breast looks like. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, yeah.
It's looking good.
That does look good. Yeah, that looks moist and nice, yeah.
Oh, is it closed? What are the wobbly bobbly things in your glazed pan?
Cloves.
Cloves.
Closed. It is closed.
Just pick them out if you don't like them.
So, if anything, perhaps a little bit overdone. But,
Gravy on it would be perfect.
you know what? It seems to be
I always prefer the red meat anyway, me.
Yeah, well, a lot of people do.
Yeah.
Catherine.
What's your favourite?
I like a bit of both, to be honest.
Yeah. I like everything, like the giblets, the neck, the winglets.
Now that's another thing, the giblets didn't come with it.
They used to, but you don't see them much these days.
There's no, all there was the neck.
Yeah.
There's no heart.
These going in.
What's that one? No, not yet. I'm just going to finish carving this up. Well, we've got 3 joints, so
We're not going to be short of meat.
I'm not going to be short of meat with anything else. So I think we'll leave that like that. We'll always come back and do some more.
Yeah, superb.
Let's put that on there.
Where is it? Hurry up.
Shush.
Hurry up, come
Don't
on.
be a pain.
So he's just pouring off the beef au
Don't be
jus,
a pain.
and
I'm hoping that this is.
I'd like it rare. Just pull the horns off and wipe its butt.
Let's get rid of some of this. We don't want the net.
That does look rather attractive.
Pardon me.
That's my wife. I do apologise.
That's the soda fountain, by the way. I didn't have beans for breakfast.
Yes, it does. It's a source of, never-ending source of amusement. Pass me a fork, please, darling. Over there behind you. There you go. Right, let's see what's going on here.
Let's go around the business end of that. Now that's nice. That's nice. That's a medium. That'll probably get a bit more rare towards the middle, but that's just right for me. Love that. I like it as rare as you like. I'm a proper caveman. I am a caveman. Wow. That's really nice.
I know I like it there. Mike likes it there, I know that.
Yeah. Put a wet tea towel under that.
Yeah, good idea. Good idea. This is what I do over here.
No, that's it. There you go.
Right, let's get some from this side.
Yeah.
People who are not.
Some like they're well done, don't they? Yeah. I like mine hemorrhaging.
Just transfer that. That's it.
Lovely. That does look good.
Coward. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks really the business. That.
That's about right, I think.
Yeah, I'd say.
What about you, Kev?
Yeah, I like it hemorrhaging me. Go for it. Really bloody. Doesn't me bother me one bit. I'm a complete Cro-Magnon when it comes to me.
Am I putting this bread in now?
I'll do it just now. I think that'll do for the beef, just for
Yeah,
now.
that looks excellent. So that's everything carved up. All the meat carved up. And I'll get out of your way. Smiles, everybody. So that's a broccoli and Stilton soup, and I have to tell you, boys and girls, that is really good. So we're about to start Christmas dinner, so if you forgive us, we're going to get tucked in. Thanks for watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
That's the tradition of the flaming Christmas pudding. To my friends in Trinidad, that's a kind of what a black cake, what you would call a black cake, very similar. Dry fruit and a dark cake.
What?
Together. And then you'll be able to do that, won't you?
So that's what it looks like when it's cut. So you've got a fairly dense cake with this reconstituted dried fruit, which is normally been soaked in rum or some kind of liquor, and then we serve that with custard, which is like a custard sauce and or cream, and sometimes brandy sauce.
Richard? Aye.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.